Good morning children. In this video, we are going to revise addition two-digit numbers. Okay, before going into the topic, you should know what is a digit. A digit is a part of a number. Digit is a part of a number. Okay, for example, I have written a number for you. 6. 6 is a one digit number, single digit. It is a single number. So it is a one digit number. Now I have written two numbers. Two numbers means two digits because there are two numbers 6 and 3. So 63 is a two digit number. And I have written three numbers here, 635. It is a three digit number. So digit is a part of a number. Clear? Now what does a digit tell us? The digit will tell us the place value of a number. Digit हमें क्या कहता है? Digit tells us the place value of a number. तो अभी आपको मुझे ये समझाना है कि place value क्या होता है. What is a place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number. एक कोई भी जो अभी now I have written a three digit number 285. In this 285 it is a three digit number, isn't it? And here this 5 represents 5 ones, 8 represents 8 tens, and 2 represents 2 hundreds. So in short we write ones, tens and hundreds. So 5, this is a first place, and 8 second place, and 2 third place. This number is in third place. Why I have written a three digit number? Because you have already learnt numbers from 1 to 100, and 100 is a three digit number, isn't it? And please note that 100 is the smallest three digit number. So I have written a three digit number here. Generally in this term you are going to learn only two digit numbers, but आपको मुझे लगा कि एक 100 का भी इंट्रोड्यूस कराना ज़रूरी है. Okay, so first place, second place and third place. So first place represents ones, second place represents tens, and third place represents hundreds. Ones means 5 ones. Ones क्या है? 5 ones. And 8 tens. Second place represents tens. So how many numbers are here? 8. 8 means 8 tens. 8 tens. 8 tens क्या होता है? 8 into 10, that is 80. So यहाँ जो 8 है, इस 8 का प्लेस वैल्यू है 80. 8 into 10, 8 tens. So 8 tens are 80. And 200. So the third place represents 100, and this number here, the place value of 2 is 2 hundreds. 2 into 100 how much? 200. Okay. So यहाँ जो 5 है इसका प्लेस वैल्यू है ओनली 5 ones. 8 का प्लेस वैल्यू है 8 tens, that means 80, and 2 का प्लेस वैल्यू है 200, that is 2 hundreds, that is 200. Can you see this? So now you understood what is a digit and what is a place value. Okay? The concept of ones and tens can be explained with a set of matchsticks, a given set of matchsticks which I have arranged for you. So concept of tens and ones. I have some matchsticks with me. Let me count them one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 9 matchsticks. This 9 matchsticks means 9 ones. 9 ones. Okay. If I add one more matchsticks with this. So if I add one matchsticks, one with this 9 matchsticks, then it will become 10. So ये 9 matchsticks के साथ अगर मैं 1 ऐड करूँगी, so it will become 10, isn't it? 10 matchsticks. 10 matchsticks मतलब a bunch of 10 matchsticks. One set of 10 matchsticks. So one set of 10 matchsticks means 110. इसको हम 110 भी कह सकते हैं ना, 10 ones भी कह सकते हैं. इसके अंदर 10 ones है, तो ये 10 ones को हम 110 भी कह सकते हैं. 110 इज इक्वल टू 10 ones. अगर मैं 10 ones को एक बंच बनाऊंगी, एक सिंगल सेट बनाऊंगी, देन इट विल बिकम 110. ओके. अगर ये 110 के साथ, नाउ दिस इज अ सेट ऑफ 110 है ये. If I add few more I have few more matchsticks with me. ये 10 के साथ अगर मैं 1 प्लस करूँगी, 10 plus 1 how much? 10. This is 10 and this is 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. इस अभी 11 के अंदर अभी आप समझो, अच्छे से समझ लो इसको. ये 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. सो वंस टेंस लगाएंगे तो ये 1 का मतलब है ये वाला 1, और यहाँ जो 1 है ना, ये 1, इसका मतलब है दिस 10 sticks. सो 10 के नीचे जो सेकेंड प्लेस पे जो नंबर है, इट रिप्रेजेंट्स टेंस. क्लियर? इट रिप्रेजेंट्स टेंस. सो 11 मीन्स 11 के अंदर हाउ मैनी वंस एंड हाउ मैनी टेंस आर देयर? 1 ones and 1 10 is there. Is this clear? Okay, now I am adding 2 more matchsticks. So 10 के साथ मैंने I have added 2. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. इस 12 में क्या है? If I add ones and tens, ये जो 2 है, 2 ones are here, 2 ones, और ये जो 10 है, this is here. So 110 plus 2 is equal to 12. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Clear? If I add one more matchsticks with this. If I add one more matchsticks. So 10 plus 3 is how much? 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 represents here in this number 13. 3 means 3 ones. This 1, 2, 3. ये 3 ones है, और यहाँ जो 1 है ना, this 1 represents this 10. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes. Clear बेटा? So this way if I add 4, then it will become 14, 5, 15, 6, 16, 7, 17, 8, 18, 9, 19. So 10 plus 9, it means 19. 19 means 9. So 19 means 9 ones and 1 tens. So if I add one more stick with this, now it will become one more 10. So 110 plus 110 is equal to 20. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Yes or no? So I have made 2 bunches of, 2 sets of 10s. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 means ones and tens लगा के देखेंगे तो 2 tens and 0 ones. So 20 means 2 tens plus 0 ones. So same way, so 10 plus 10 is 20. इसके साथ if I add one more stick, so it will go like this. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 1, 21. 20 plus 1, 21. So ones and tens. 1 ones and 2 tens. 20. Is this clear to you? I have a box, a small box with me where I have arranged 10 sticks for you. So if I add this 10 sticks here and one more 10 sticks here. So listen, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. See? So in this 10 and 20 I have explained you. Now 30. So here 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. So 30 means 3 tens. 40. 40 means 4 tens. 10, 10, 10, 10. 4 bar 10. So 4 tens. Here 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens and 10 tens. So 10 tens are 100. Is this clear to you? 10 tens are 100. Now I think I have cleared the concept of ones and tens. Is this clear to you or not? Okay, let me do some examples. Let me explain you with an example. So if I take a number 35. Okay. So in 35, how many tens are there in 35? 3 tens and 5 ones. How can we write it? 3 tens plus 5 ones. This way I have expanded the number 35. So I am taking one more number. 74. How can we write it? How can we expand this number? 7 tens, ones and tens plus 4 ones. Because 7 means 7 tens. I have told you. I have showed you the math sticks. Set of math sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Did I show you? No? Did I show you or not? Yes. So 70 means 7 tens. 4 ones. 7 tens and 4 ones. Clear or not clear? So one more example. 87. 87. How can we expand? Ones, tens. 8 tens plus 7 ones. In 87, how many ones are there? 7 ones are there. And how many tens are there? 8 tens are there. 8 tens means 80. Clear or not clear? So it can be written in another way also. So now next example is 5 tens plus 3 ones. What does this mean? 5 tens and 3 ones. 5 tens means how much? 50. 5 tens, 50 plus 3. So 53. Okay, clear? 5 tens and 3 ones means 53. 7 tens plus 1 ones. 7 plus 1, 71. Any doubt on this? Is this clear to you? Abhi, now concept of ones and tens are clear to you or not? So can we go to our book? Can we go and see our book? Book exercises? Yes? Okay. In your book, we are going to see addition 2 digits. Subtraction we are not doing now. We are only doing addition in this term. So addition of 2-digit numbers. Let us learn to add 2-digit numbers. Let us learn to add 2-digit numbers. So now I will explain you what is a digit and what is the place value of a number, what is ones and what is tens, everything I have explained you. So अभी expand भी करके दिखाया आपको, yes or no? So add 27 and 32 by expanding them. 27 means what? I don't have a pencil. Yes, I have a pencil. 27 means, can you say this better clearly? 27 means, first we have to write ones and tens. So 2 tens and 7 ones. Okay? 2 tens and 7 ones. 32 means 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay? What is the way of adding these two numbers? First, we add the digits in the ones place. The very first step is to add the ones place. So, ones place, there are 7 ones and 2 ones. 7 plus 2, 9 ones. Second step is to add the 10th place. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 tens. So, 5 tens plus 9 ones is nothing but 59. 5 tens और 9 ones 59 होता है. Yes or no? Clear है? So how you have to expand a number and add. ये आपका first exercise है. 2 numbers will be given to you. You have to expand both the numbers. दोनों numbers को expand करना है पहले, फिर उसको add करना है. Clear? Sorry. Clear or not? One more example is given in your book. 55 and 31. How we should expand 55? 5 tens and 5 ones. Whenever you get a number, ones and tens likho, it will be easy for you to expand. So without any confusion. First place is ones and second place is tens. ये याद रखना. 5 tens and 5 ones plus 3 tens plus 1 1. So for what is the first step of adding the numbers? You have to add the ones first. 5 plus 1 is 6 and second step is to add the tens. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 55 plus 31 is equal to 86. So 8 tens plus 6 ones is 86. Clear? So second page. Activity 1. Add by expanding. The first sum is already done, so we are straight away going to our second sum. 64 and 21. How will you expand 64 and 21? Can you see this? Yes? Okay. 64 plus 21. 64 means this is ones and this is tens. 6 tens and 4 ones. 6 tens and 4 ones. 21 means 2 tens and 1 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 64 plus 21 is 85 or 8 tens plus 5 ones. Clear? 52 plus 26. Ones tens. ये दोनों ones है और ये दोनों tens है. So 52 means 5 tens and 2 ones. 26 means 2 tens and 6 ones. Can you add it yourself? Yes. Next 71 plus 21. 71 ones and tens. So 71 means 7 tens and 1 ones. 1 1. 7 tens and 1 1. 21 means 2 tens and 1 1. 2 tens and 1 1. Okay, you have to add it. Next is 65 and 33. Ones tens लगा दो. 65 means 6 tens and 5 ones. 6 tens and 5 ones. 33 means 3 tens and 3 ones. 3 tens and 3 ones. So you can add it yourself. Any problem? No? Good. Now we are going to page number 85. So this is a simple addition. You can do it. First step is to do the ones and then tens. So adding 1 is the first step. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 4. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 6 plus 2. You can count it. You can keep the big number in your mind and small number in the hand. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 6, 7, 8. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this way you can do these sums. Okay? No problem? Right. Now come to fun time. Write the given numbers. Please listen to me very carefully. This is an important concept. Write the given numbers as a sum of two numbers. The first one has been done for you. So one number is given. You have to write this given number as a sum of two numbers. सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स मतलब टू नंबर्स लेके दोनों को जो सम होगा वो इसका इक्वल होना चाहिए. जैसे 12 वंस टेंस लगा दो तो 1 10 मतलब 10. 2 आई हैव रिटन इट हियर. सो 20 अगेन वंस टेंस. 20 means 10 is given here. So you have to minus 10 from 20. 10 from 20. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So if one number is given here, you have to minus that number from the given number. 10 plus 10 is 20. Next is 64. So both the boxes are empty. Now it is our wish to divide the number. So I am dividing this number as 60 plus 4. 64. It is our wish. 60 plus 4, 64. But here 99 is given and 33 is given. So two numbers are given. Now we have no other option. Only option we have is to minus 33 from 99. दो आपको अभी सिखाया नहीं है टू डिजिट नंबर, सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ टू डिजिट नंबर्स अभी मैंने आपको सिखाया नहीं है, इसलिए ये दो सम्स को मैं अभी एग्ज़ाम में भी नहीं दूंगी, ओमिट कर रही हूँ ये दोनों सम्स को 2 and 4. नो नीड टू, स्टिल आई एम डूइंग इट हियर, आपको समझा रही हूँ, लेकिन पेपर में मैंने देना नहीं है. पेपर में 1 and 3 आई विल गिव यू, बट 2 and 4 आई विल नॉट गिव यू, बिकॉज अभी मैंने सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ टू डिजिट नंबर्स अभी आपको सिखाए नहीं है मैंने. सो 6 and 6, 66 इज़ द आंसर. बट एनीवे मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 को ओमिट कर दिया. ओके, नो नीड टू डू दैट. When we are doing subtraction of two digit numbers, when we learn that, then that time only you can do this sum. Okay, next is adding in tens. ये भी अभी हमने करना नहीं है. So you can do this, no problem. ये कर सकते हैं आप. 20 plus 30 is, this is, you can do it simple way. 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 1 is 3. This way you can do it, no problem. Okay, can you do it? If you want, I can explain you this also. No problem. See, 20 plus 30. 20 means 2 tens. But 0 place में no number is there in ones place. So we are not going to draw any beats here. Only for 2 tens, I am drawing 2 beats here. I am not drawing, the beats are already given there. For 30, no number is in ones place, so no beats are here. For tens place, the number 3 number is here, so 3 beats are there. So total 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 beats are in tens place and no number is in ones place. So 5 plus 0 is 50. This way. Okay. This is just an explanation. So you have to complete this sums yourself. Any problem? नेक्स्ट रीग्रुपिंग ऑफ नंबर्स अभी नहीं करना है हमको, सो वो बाद में करना है. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड टर्म है, सो आई एम ओमिटिंग दिस पेजेस. नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 9090 वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. यस, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स करना है. अ कबर्ड हैज़ 12 बुक्स एंड 10 नोटबुक्स. हाउ मेनी बुक्स एंड नोटबुक्स आर देयर इन total. So 12 plus 10 is, you have to do the addition yourself and write the answer here. This way you complete all the sums, all the word problems. A fruit seller sells 45 apples and 33 oranges in a day. फ्रूट सेलर ने 45 एप्पल्स और 33 ऑरेंजेस को सेल किया है. सो फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्रूट सोल्ड. उन्होंने टोटल कितने फ्रूट्स को सोल्ड किया था. तो जस्ट यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर्स 45 एंड 33. You have to write tens ones always. Add the numbers. Whatever the answer comes, write it here. This way you can do this sum also and this sum also. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Do all the book exercise pages and please do not send it for checking. This is only your practice work. Complete the work in this book. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in my online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.